love art but feel like you have no skills? Want to draw this stunning lavender field but think you can't, or that it takes too much time? Then this video is for you. I'm Mani, and welcome to my channel, where we turn simple materials into magical art. Let's begin! In this tutorial, you'll learn the easiest way to draw a beautiful lavender landscape using oil pastels. We'll start with a few different shades of blue for the lavender field. Why blue? In some parts of the world, lavender grows more bluish than purple. We've drawn a purple lavender field before, so this time we're trying something new. Let's begin with the first lavender shrub. Make short strokes using one blue, then switch to another. Keep your strokes mostly in the same direction but vary their lengths. We'll blend using white pastel and cotton swabs. To keep the white areas bright, we leave some parts of the paper untouched. This way, the natural white of the paper shows through, because oil pastel white isn't as bright. Now define the edge of the first shrub and move on to the next. Start with darker blues at the base, then lighten as you go upward. Blend again with white pastel and cotton swabs. Let's add a muddy road here using different shades of ochre and light brown. If it looks too heavy, blot the color gently with a tissue. Easy fix! Now we'll draw another shrub across the road. Blend again with white pastel and cotton swabs. The field is nearly done, so let's move on to the farm and cottage in the background. For the farm, use pale greens and blend with white. The cottage has a hint of light blue, reflecting the lavender around it. And the roof is burnt umber. Blend the roof with a pale orange, and use a tissue for a final soft finish. Whenever you see the hand moving across the artwork, that's the time we use tissue. Use a dark brown pencil to define the cottage edges. Using a sharp tool to add fine lines. Now for the trees and bushes, use different greens and soft spiral strokes. Use a spiral motion when blending with a cotton swab. For the sky, we'll use colored pencil powder. It's such a magical method and always gives a soft, stunning look. If you want to see how to draw a realistic cloudy sky using pencil powder, be sure to check out this video. Again, bushes and trees. And that's it. Our lavender field is almost done. Tell me what you think in the comments. I love to hear your thoughts and ideas for future videos. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video and share it with a friend. It helps the channel grow and reach more art lovers like you. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, creative, and colorful art tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.